In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set pay what you want pricing on Gumroad. First, open Gumroad in your browser and log in to your account. Once you are inside your dashboard, go to the Products section from the left sidebar. Here you will see all your existing products. Now select the product you want to edit or create a new product if you have not made one yet. After opening the product editor, scroll down until you find the pricing section. Inside the pricing settings, look for the option called Allow customers to pay what they want. Enable this option to turn on Pay what you want pricing for your product. The amount you enter as the product price will become the minimum amount customers must pay. For example, if you set the minimum price to $5, buyers can still choose to pay $10, $20, or any higher amount they want. If you set the minimum price to $0, the product becomes free, but customers will still have the option to support you by paying any amount they choose. You can also choose your preferred currency such as USD, EUR, or another option depending on your audience. Once you finish updating the pricing settings, click Save and Continue at the top right corner of the page. If your product is ready, click Publish to make the changes live. And that's how to set Pay What You Want pricing on Gumroad. Thanks for watching and goodbye.